Topic which I have chosen in organizational behavior is leadership skills. The questions which I have prepared for my topic is the first question: how leadership play major role in ensuring job satisfaction? What are all the leadership quality that your organization look in new joiners? Does the leader prefer to be dominant in decision making? How good leadership leads for high production? According to the managerial grid, the high concern for people, the high production with where effective team merged. Does the attitude of leader affect their team? According to trade theory, a leader must be physically strong and well built, intelligent, confident, and mentally mature. Since all individuals do not have these qualities, then which dominant quality considered as a potential leader? In what way leader influence team? What kind of leadership style carried out by the organization? Does the behavior of subordinates influence leader? Illustrate the functions and effects of leadership. My first response is Mr. Hariharan from Emerson. For the first question, he answered about effective leaders who possesses good leadership styles have the ability to moderate or minimize the organizational qualities. Perception have increasing job satisfaction. For second, great communication and affects decision making. Third, not in all cases. Fourth, yes, it is related. Five is totally. And sixth one, we look into good communication and effective decision making skills. For the seventh one, all the ways I would say. For the eighth question, he answered about democratic. For the ninth, yes, sometimes. For the 10th question, he answered about organizing and coordinating. My second respondent is Mr. Nivas from Accenture. For the first question, he answered about only to some extent. For the second question, great level communication and protectively approaching everything. For the third question, he answered no. For the fourth question, only to some extent. For the fifth question, he answered only in some cases. For sixth question, he answered about we look into candidates who are good in communication and who will be able to make quick choices. For seventh, influence would be mostly in the level of motivation. For the eighth question, he answered democratic most of the times. For the ninth question, he answered of course in some cases. And last 10th question, he answered motivating and analyzing. My third respondent is Mrs. Anjali from Bajaj Finance. For the first question, she answered it's a 50 by 50 procedure. For the second question, she answered we look into the 3 C's: confidence, commitment, and communication. For the third question, she answered she shouldn't be. For the fourth question, she answered yes to a larger extent. For fifth question, she answered yes 100%. For the sixth question, she answered as I mentioned earlier, we look into the 3 C's. For the seventh, effective production and achieving targets are affected in a larger level. For eighth question, she answered it's a friendly. For the ninth question, she answered for the question S. For last 10th question, she answered coordinating and decision making. My fourth respondent is Mrs. Priya. For the first question, she answered transformational leadership surely has an impact on satisfaction of a job. For second question, she answered we generally look for the ones who have greater communication skills and adjustable employees. For the third question, she said no. For fourth question, I feel it only to a small extent. For the fifth question, yes, totally. For sixth question, she answered we look into the ones who are healthy and confident and who will be able to communicate well. For seventh, a leader should always influence in a positive way. For the eighth question, she answered it's always participative. For the ninth question, she said sometimes. For the last 10th question, a leader is responsible for a lot of things, so they should be sure of everything that's going on. My last respondent is Mr. Harish from Shiksha Finance. For the first question, he answered about leadership is highly influential because leaders are the ones who are leading to high productive and to achieve our goals, which will eventually lead to job success and satisfaction. For the second, we always look for the people who are good in immediate decision making and good communication. For the third, he answered never. For the fourth, he answered 75%. For the fifth question, yes, of course. For the sixth question, he answered we look into people who are positive and confident. For seventh question, a leader should always model the behavior how he wants his team to be. For eighth question, it's very friendly, work while work and play while play kind. For ninth question, for yes sometimes. And 10th, he responded about motivation, coordination, decision making and alteration. Thank you.